Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Rekha's Commerce Classes. This video is about understanding cost, costing, cost accountancy and cost accounting. So before starting, we have to know about the branches of accounting. So accounting is very important to business for two reasons. First, it helps managers plan and control a company's operation, and the second one is it helps outsiders evaluate the business. Next, we can see that there are three different branches of accounting. First one is financial accounting. It is concerned with the preparation of financial statements and aims to ascertain the profit or loss and to show the financial position of the business. Next, the main subject we are going to study here is cost accounting. It is to ascertain cost. That is, it is developed to meet the challenges of reducing and controlling the cost in modern environment of competition and complexity. Next, we can see that the management accounting. So, what is management accounting? It is concerned with the supply of information which is useful for efficient running of business, and also it consists of the methods, systems and techniques involved in the presentation of accounting information and data in a suitable form to the managements. Next, we can see that there are different types. Before studying cost accounting, you have to know what is cost, costing, cost accounting and cost accountancy. So let's start with cost. Cost, it is a resource spent for producing a product or rendering a service. So it is mainly incurred in rendering, that is product or services. So it is manufacturing point of view. So cost, it is a monetary value of all sacrifices made to achieve an objectives. So the resource, it can be tangible like machinery, materials, even vehicles, and also or intangible like wages, salary, rent, etc. So in short, cost refers to the total expense incurred on production and sale of the articles. Next one, we can see that what is costing. So costing, it is the technique and process of ascertaining the cost. So what is the technique? The technique of the cost, it refers to the principles and rules for ascertaining the cost. And what is process? The process of costing, it refers to the procedure for ascertaining cost. So in simple, we can see that costing is technique of ascertaining cost plus process of ascertaining cost. So next one, we can see that what is accounting. So this is our main subject. So cost accounting, it is simply we can say it is accounting for cost, and the main purpose for cost accounting is to ascertain the cost of a product and to control the cost and to communicate information for decision making. So in here I am given a definition of SICL. Cost accounting is science of recording and presenting business transactions pertaining to the production of goods and service, whereby these records it become a method of measurement and means of control. So what we understand from this definition is that it is defined as the process of accounting for cost, which begins with recording of income and expenditure and end with the preparation of periodical statements and report for ascertaining and controlling cost. So with a simple formula, we can say that cost accounting is costing plus application of cost control methods with ascertainment of profitability. Next, we have to know what is cost accountancy, isn't it? So cost accountancy is the main essential part of accountancy, which is developed to meet the managerial needs of business which incur the costs. So cost accountancy is application of costing and cost accounting principles, that is methods and techniques. So it includes the presentation of information derived therefrom for the managerial decision making. So with a short formula we can say that cost accountancy is cost accounting plus presentation of information to management for decision making. So let's start with nature of cost accounting. So what are the main features or nature of cost accounting? First one, it is cost accounting. It provides cost data. So it is concerned with the classification, accumulation and distribution of even controlling of costs. So next one we can see that it is mainly useful for manufacturing enterprises. Then it determines the total and per unit cost of products and services. Next, it provide data for fixing the selling price of products and services. Next, we can see that it provide data to management for exercising effective control over costs. So what are the main objectives of cost accounting? So the main objectives is to ascertain cost, to control cost, to determine the selling price, to ascertain profit, then to assist the management in decision making process, then to ascertain the profitability of different products, even jobs or work orders. Next one we can see that what are the functions of cost accounting. So here I am given the important function is to ascertain actual cost of each products, jobs or process. Next one is to provide cost data for the purpose of pricing, even policy formulation and for decision making also. Next we can compare the performance with the standards. Then we can also it serve as a tool for planning and budgeting. Then we can protect investors, that's the interest of the investors can be protected, and also we can give a report to the government. So these are the main functions of cost accounting. Hope you like my video. Thank you.